Good day to all. This is Amritalingam Madhu. Today's topic is Vastu secret to improve husband and wife relationship. Before move on to the topic, let's see the quote for the day. Never discourage anyone who continually makes progress, no matter how slow. Let's move on to the topic. What is meant by southwest corner? South and west meeting point is called southwest corner. Southwest is the one of the most important direction as per Vastu Shastra. The ruling planet of this corner is Rahu, and since Rahu governs luck, finance, health, husband and wife relationship, stability, and so on. Hence, any Vastu defects in this is very important to carefully handle the southwest corner. Southwest part of home leads to trouble and problems. So hence we have to properly make southwest corner as per Vastu rules. Basic rules in Vastu Shastra. Point number 1, land or house should be square or rectangle. It should not be any other shape. It should be only square or rectangle. Point number 2, southwest should be higher and northeast should be lower. Point number 3, entrance should be positive side. Point number 4, staircase should be as per Vastu rules. For example, if you are making a staircase, internal staircase, it should be west center or south center. If it is an external staircase, it should be northwest, southeast and southwest. Northeast should not come at any staircase. Point number 5, east and north should be more space. The space between a compound wall and mother wall, east and north should be more space compared to west and south. Point number 6, borewell, rainwater harvesting, sump should be only at northeast. We have seen about the basic rules. Now we will see there are 15 Vastu tips to make a southwest corner as per Vastu rules. Point number 1, compound wall and mother wall of southwest corner should be 90 degree. Point number 2, southwest corner should be always closed. There should not be any opening at southwest corner. Point number 3, southwest T junction plot or house should be avoided, either southwest west or southwest south. Point number 4, there should not be any windows in the southwest south as well as west side. Point number 5, balcony should not be in southwest corner. Point number 6, internal staircase should not be in southwest corner. Many people are making mistake. They are presuming southwest should be more weight. That is the reason they are putting a staircase in southwest, which is totally non-compliance of Vastu rules. Point number 7, septic tank, water tank, borewell, water sump, rainwater harvesting should not come at southwest. Point number 8, puja room should not come at southwest. Point number 9, toilet should not come at southwest corner, whether it is an inside house or outside house. Point number 10, kitchen should not be in the southwest corner. Point number 11, entrance should not be in southwest corner. Point number 12, there should not be any cut or extension of the southwest area. Point number 13, there should not be portico in southwest, because many people making these mistakes in case of south facing or west facing house. Generally many people making a portico in southwest, which is totally non-compliance of Vastu rules. Point number 14, living room should not be in southwest corner, because southwest corner should be master bedroom. Point number 15, land slope should not be in south or west side. So these are all the 15 rules. We should be very careful in the southwest corner. Then you may ask me, what can come at southwest corner? Southwest can be master bedroom. Southwest we can keep overhead tank. Southwest, so these can come at southwest. So southwest vastu defects creates a lot of problem, especially the relationship between husband and wife become frequently quarrels. So in case of southwest vastu defects. Point number 2, health related issue. It's kidney, liver, neuro related issues, especially for men's. Point number 3, accident death, unnatural deaths. Point number 4, always in a confusion state. There is no clarity in the prospects. Point number 5, terrible life, always in the trouble. Point number 6, always the financial issues will be there. Point number 7, major or minor injuries in the legs. This accident leads to fractures or paralysis, these kind of issues. Point number 8, dialysis issue. So these kind of problem may occur, especially for men's, and there may be the always some people changing their jobs, changing their business, so always in a loss. So these kind of stress will happen in case of vastu defects in the southwest corner. So don't trust on the remedies such as pyramid, copper bar, puja. So in case of southwest issue, you have to remodify or renovate as per vastu rules. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.